Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you recently picked up a Roku Ultra and want better sound through a Samsung soundbar, getting everything connected the right way can feel a little confusing in the beginning. Some people notice video appears perfectly on the TV, but audio still comes from the TV speakers, while others are unsure which ports or settings should be used first. Since sound systems and streaming devices can connect in different ways depending on the setup, following the right order can make the process much smoother. Once everything is linked properly, movies, shows, and apps usually sound much fuller and more enjoyable. Let's go through a simple way to connect a Roku Ultra to a Samsung soundbar. Try these. Step 1. Connect the Roku Ultra to the TV using an HDMI cable before adjusting sound settings. Step 2. Turn on the Samsung soundbar and make sure it is connected to the TV correctly. Step 3. Open audio settings on the TV connected to the Roku Ultra and select external sound output. Step 4. Choose the correct input source on the Samsung soundbar for the connected setup. Step 5. Play content through the Roku Ultra to test whether audio moves through the soundbar. Step 6. Adjust sound settings on the Samsung soundbar and confirm audio plays clearly without interruption.